Hi, my name is Jacob and today I'll tell you everything you need to know about FlowForce Max before actually buying the product. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about FlowForce Max is, be careful with the website you're going to buy FlowForce Max from, because FlowForce Max is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. So what is FlowForce Max and does it actually work? And the answer is yes, FlowForce Max works, and after many laboratory tests, researchers identified that there is a natural formula with concentrated ingredients that will surge bedroom performance, upgrade prostate health, fix poor functioning of the urinary tract. In the ever-evolving landscape of male performance enhancement supplements, the FlowForce Max supplement stands as a groundbreaking force, ushering in a new era of strength and prowess. Crafted with meticulous precision, this dietary supplement has disrupted the global market, earning acclaim for its commitment to safety, efficacy, and inclusivity. At its core, FlowForce Max is a male performance enhancement supplement designed to elevate strength, stamina, and overall sexual performance. If you consume FlowForce Max, you reap some additional benefits, like better urinary tract and prostate function, higher energy levels, and many more. FlowForce Max takes pride in its manufacturing standards, conducted in FDA-approved labs. This stamp of approval is not just a formality, it signifies a commitment to rigorous quality control measures and adherence to the highest industry standards. In these state-of-the-art facilities, every FlowForce Max capsule undergoes scrutiny to ensure it meets the stringent criteria necessary for a top-tier male performance supplement. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with FlowForce Max, and you can have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. That's a little bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test FlowForce Max for 60 days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. Also, for FlowForce Max to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every single day, or else you won't see great results and you'll actually get a little frustrated. You can see the initial results in the first month, but most people have better results after 3 months using this product. Also important for you to know, FlowForce Max has no side effects since it is natural. So, I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy FlowForce Max from, and also, if you do buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from any other person because your organism acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that FlowForce Max actually helps you a lot to improve your life and many other benefits that this product promotes.